In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate app password in Gmail Google Workspace. 5 minutes. App passwords are special 16-character passcodes that let less secure or older apps sign in to your Google account when you have two-step verification turned on. They're handy for email clients, SMTP connections, or integrations that can't handle modern prompts. You'll create one, paste it into your app, and you're done. Start by opening your Google account. On any Google page, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then choose Manage Your Google Account. On the left sidebar, go to Security, sometimes labeled Security, and Sign In. Under Signing into Google, select two-step verification. If you haven't set it up yet, follow the prompts to enable it using a method you prefer. This is required before you can create an app password. Once two-step verification is on, look for app passwords on the same security page. Click it and verify your identity if asked. You'll see a field to name the app password. Give it a clear label that helps you remember where it will be used, for example, the device or app name. Labels don't affect security, they're just for your reference. Click Create. Google will immediately generate a 16-character code. Copy this code. You'll only see it once in this view, so store it somewhere secure if you think you'll need to reference it again. Now switch to the application you're setting up and paste the code into its password field. Enter it without spaces exactly as shown. This replaces your normal Google account password for that one app. That's the whole process. If you use a work or school account and don't see app passwords, your administrator may have disabled the feature. For reliability, create a unique app password for each device or integration rather than reusing one. If you ever suspect a compromise or no longer need access, return to the app passwords page and remove that entry. The app will stop working until you create a new code. And remember, never share these codes publicly or in support tickets. With that, you've successfully generated and used a Gmail or Google Workspace app password.